Your Windows PC could be storing thousands of useless junk files right now without ever warning you about it. In this video, I'll show you how to safely clean some of the biggest hidden junk folders built into Windows. No downloads, no paid cleaners, and no complicated software. The first folder we're cleaning is called the Prefetch folder. Windows uses this folder to store small loading files that help apps open faster. The problem is, even after apps are removed, many of those files stay behind forever. To open it, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. A small run window will appear. Now type Prefetch, then press Enter. Windows may ask for administrator permission. Click Yes or Continue to open the folder. Once inside, you'll probably see hundreds of files. Before deleting anything, you can right-click inside the folder, choose Properties, and check the folder size if you want to compare how much space gets cleaned later. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then press Shift plus Delete. Using Shift plus Delete removes the files immediately instead of sending them to the recycle bin. Some files may refuse to delete because Windows is currently using them, and that's completely normal. Just click Skip for any locked files and continue. Next, let's clean your personal temp folder. This is one of the biggest junk locations on most computers. Every failed installation, app crash, update process, or temporary task can leave files behind here. Open the Run box again, using Windows R. This time type %temp%, then press Enter. Windows will automatically open your personal temporary files folder. You might notice a huge number of random folders and files inside. Most of these are completely unnecessary and safe to remove. Again, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then press Delete. You can use normal delete here. If some files are currently active and can't be removed, just press Skip and continue deleting the rest. Now for the third location, the System Temp folder. This one is used by Windows itself and can also build up a large amount of leftover junk over time. Open the Run box one more time. Now type Windows/temp, then press Enter. Administrator permission may appear again. Click Continue. Once the folder opens, repeat the same process. Press Ctrl plus A, then Shift plus Delete. Skip any locked files that Windows is actively using. Everything else can safely be removed. And here's a small bonus cleanup step. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command, ipconfig flush DNS. Then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which stores old website connection data. It usually doesn't free a lot of storage, but it can help fix certain internet or browser loading issues. You've now cleaned several hidden Windows junk folders that most people never even know exist. Depending on how long it's been since your last cleanup, you may recover hundreds of megabytes. Thanks for watching.